Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Work of Excellence TV. We are so glad that you click in. If you're new, welcome. I hope that you enjoy the content. We always have all kinds of different things going on. For all my subbies that click in all the time, hello. Thank you for showing up for me again. I appreciate it. First of all, I'm just going to take you through me decluttering. Now, if you've seen my last video, and if you haven't, make sure you go and watch it. I'm decluttering. It's like a spring clean out. I did my closet and bought an organizer and got rid of a lot of things that wasn't serving no purpose. I wasn't going to wear it. If I haven't worn it in a year or so, some of them had to go. Some of them didn't because I forgot about them. But you can check out that video. Now today I am in my makeup room and I really had to get that cleaned up as well. So I'm gonna let you take a look. I didn't take you guys in deep with me because that would be boring. I'm telling you, it's so many times I stopped and said, what am I doing? I'm tired. I don't feel like finishing this. And I was not going to put y'all through all of that. So you will see it before and you will see the after. Well, it's getting better. It's not as bad as it was. I have gotten rid of things. I have some piles for giveaway, some piles for donation. So then it'll be time for me to get into the makeup. I have a lot of makeup that I don't use, I have never used, or I didn't like for one reason or another, and it has to go. But we will be taking a trip to HomeGoods because I want to get some things for the room. So that's where we go. Well, this is my situation. As you can see, the room. Now I have to do this clothing haul. So I guess I better get started for the day.
Throwback on WPTC 95.5. Throwback on WPTC 95.5.
Out my way. Out my way. Now we are in HomeGoods. They have a lot of nice things, but I'm going to stay on budget and I'm only going to get what's on my list. But here's a good look at some of the things you might like or you may need. I got this nice for my makeup.
Let's see. This is $59.99. If I don't see anything else cheaper that I like, then I'll get it.
Here's some other things that I was looking at. Don't know what I would ever need that for, but it's cute.
Oh.
See?
Okay.
But like I said, we're going to stay on budget because they have so many nice little dainty things that will take you off your budget. This is very nice, but I don't need it. This would be nice in my movie room. If they had more than just one, it could be a contender.
Patio furniture.
Okay, so it's time to get out of here and go pay for the things that I got. And I did stay on budget.
I know, we put it in the most inconvenient spots. There we are.
Okay, let's go back and finish the room.
Clean out your cart and throw the stuff away.
Ladies, drama, leave it home. If he ain't got it right by now, then scratch him off. He just called me, said it's about 20 strong. They standing at the door, don't wanna take us on. The ring, let it go by 3 months ago. The pain, the stress, that ain't me no more. The girl that they used to know done changed. Now they say him is before they mention my name. Y'all, I was gonna vote like these. Y'all didn't think that I could vote like these. Said I told y'all I was gonna vote like these. Turn around and I make it jump like these. Wanna keep that boy and make it jump like these. Y'all didn't think that I could make it jump like these. See, I told y'all was gonna jump like these. How you not gonna know it when it hits like these? 664 came up real slow, put a good game on me. Told him, partner, don't get too close, so comfortable, cause the quick ain't for me. Got my girls all here, me, so spare me, please, all your personal info.
In today's haul, I will be doing a Kato's plus size haul. Now, go to the counter. Now, Kato's is a store that I really see deep down in the South. And every time I go to the South to see family, I go to Kato's because they have some nice things. Kato's remind me of Catherine's, Lane Bryant. It has on one side, it has small sizes. On the other side, it has the plus sizes. So I have shopped there before. I have featured them on my channel before. So if you ever come across a Kato's, you have seen it here. So let's get into the video. You will be seeing this top here, but I wanted to bring it in closer for you. This top is winter top, okay? Fall winter top, but it was $3.99. And I pulled it up because I really like the coloring of this top. Sorry for my audio, but next video, you know, we'll have it together. Yes, this is a winter top on a clearance rack. Sometimes you have to switch whatever season you in to get the deals. This shirt is 1820 and it was only $3.99. Original price was $32.99. Like I said before, I love the colors in this shirt and I will be wearing it fall to winter. The front and the back has the same details. Next, I got this top as well. Good price for this top. This is a nice spring top. Gray, black, white, pink. It's like a light pink. I hope my audio is a little better. I put on my microphone. Now I got this one as well. This top hangs down a little lower in the back, and this one is 1820 as well. This was on a clearance rack for $11.99. I love the details in the sweater. I love it has pink, yellow, black, white. You choose how you want to put it together, but I really liked it, so I made sure I got it. You have that rouging on the arms. So I got this one off the clothing rack as well. We have this disco 70s top as well. And this one was regular price. Look at the sleeves. I have this top as well. To me, it's like that old world look. This is a 1820. It was not on the clearance rack. It was $27.99, the original price. I kind of like it. I love the sleeves of it. Yeah. Love it, love it, love it. Top here, the sleeves. This is another 70s. Take you back to the 70s. Very nice. We have this one. I fell in love with this shirt. It is just so like 70s to me. And this shirt is not on the clearance rack. It's a little on the pricey side. This top is $30.99 for the sleeves. You can wear a bra underneath it. I wear a sham underneath it. It's an 1820. And it's just beautiful. It is so beautiful, and I can't wait to wear it. This top as well. Nice see-through dress cover over. This top as well. And this top was not on the clearance rack. So that's this one. Beautiful top as well. The pockets, the zipper in the middle, details in the front and in the back. We have this beautiful top. I love the colors, the greens in this top with the black, because you know I love black. So that's what drew me to this shirt. And the pockets on right here, they're real pockets too. On each side, you can zip it down a little lower if you like. The sleeves are rouge on the side as well. Let me show you the back. This would be nice with a black skirt. If you could find a skirt within these two colors of green, it would be awesome. But if you can't, a white skirt or a black skirt would do just fine. This shirt was on the clearance rack for $7.99 as well. And I bought two of these and I gave one away as a gift. That's how much I really liked this top. And the top is, this is a 1820. My jean jacket. Very nice. No sleeves. It's a little different than your average jean jacket. Let's put it up that. So now we have this jean jacket, sleeveless jacket, and it has ruffles around the sides. This is the back of the jacket. This jacket is a 1820. It was not on the clearance rack. It is $27.99. And it's lightweight. It's not a thick jean material. And I fell in love with this one as well. And this sweater clearance rack as well. Let me not forget this shirt. This shirt is from the clearance rack, size 1820. Only $2.99. It's a nice throw-on shirt. So Cato's have more than just clothes. Cato's have jewelry, shoes. Last time I bought these boots and they are very nice. I get a lot of compliments on those boots, and I think I paid $5.99. They were on the clearance rack. So I picked up this dainty necklace. Very, very nice. It's like pearls. And this was $8.99. And this bracelet. I love this bracelet. It's like a cross. You unhook it and you hook it back. And they have a little spring at the bottom. And this was $7.99. I just want to give this dress a shout out. I heard this young lady talk about this dress on TikTok, and I was amazed. And I wonder why it wasn't featured at the gala. It's beautiful. I would love to know the name of the women on the dress. I would love to see the back of the dress. This is my favorite. I wish they would have honored this dress and gave it the love that it should have gotten. What a beautiful dress. Well, my pretties, I am so glad that you all clicked in. I hope that you enjoyed the content. I hope that you guys bump into a Cato's near you. You won't be disappointed. They have some nice items. Every time you go in the store, sometimes there's a hit and miss. And I learned that I find things when I don't need them. So if I went looking for a certain thing, I probably wouldn't find it. But when you shopping and you don't really need anything, that's when you really find stuff. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next haul.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly.